Also note there is a chance of severe weather along the bus route, coinciding where in the part of the bus route I would be. So if anything happens along the bus route at one of the bus stops while in the bus moving, at one of the layaways, whatever, layovers, I will record it. Because like I said, highlights of the trip uploaded when I get to Washington. Auburn, Washington, so... Like I said, foreclosed lightning. I like. I would do a lot of editing with that, but with the first one. But I expect there's gonna be a lot of content for the channel for sure. Oh, that was gonna be loud. The party bus is back! Can we go storm chasing on the party bus? That would be awesome. Is the party bus gonna get hit by lightning? What's even put this on cue lightning? It almost hit the party bus too. It almost hit the party bus. Lightning's trying to kill me. That was the fourth close bolt. The second one that happened right when I said the word lightning. That was the first one that happened when I said the word lightning. The second one tried to hit the party bus that drove by.
Why is brake light so much?
Nah, in Seattle terms, this is actually pouring. Oh, thank you for putting a special weather statement. That's totally warranted. I'd say probably go severe with this bitch, but whatever. This stuff is crazy. I love it. I dare you to blow up a tree. In view.
How that happened? You can't blow it up?
Well, I mean, when it tried to hit the party bus, I was like, can we, I was like, can we go chasing on the party bus? Is lightning about to hit the party bus? And then that happened.